To access the Chemical Safe Hands Guide, start by visiting swssglobal.com. From the top navigation bar, hover over the Tools section and click. This will take you to our main Tools page where you can then select Chemical Safe Hands Guide. This interactive tool allows you to compare any SW glove, whether it's single-use or chemical resistant. The chemical you select automatically filters the most relevant gloves recommended for that specific application. Begin by selecting the chemical you're working with. In this example, we'll choose hydrochloric acid to see how different glove materials perform against this highly corrosive chemical. Before reviewing results, it's helpful to understand how chemical permeation testing works. During testing, glove materials is placed between two chambers, one containing the hazardous chemical and the other collecting any permeated material over time. The measurement, called breakthrough time, BTT, indicates how long the glove resists chemical permeation. According to SW's reference scale, over 31 minutes equals highly recommended, 11 to 30 minutes, recommended, 5 to 10 minutes equals fair, and under 5 minutes equals not recommended. Next, we'll select the gloves you'd like to compare. In this case, we'll compare Trueform TF95 Royal Blue, an everyday sustainable nitrile exam glove featuring Ecotech biodegradable technology and a thin, lightweight design for superior comfort and dexterity. Then we'll compare Megaman MM11BK, a durable nitrile glove built with Drytech and Ecotech technologies for enhanced grip, moisture control, and extended protection in tougher environments. Because hydrochloric acid is selected, the guide automatically filters to display the gloves that have been tested and rated for this specific chemical. You can choose to display all chemicals or only the one you've selected for a focused comparison. Here, we'll review hydrochloric acid under both ANSI, ISEA 105, and EN 374-3 standards. In this comparison, Trueform TF95 Royal Blue recorded an average BTT of less than 5 minutes, while Megaman MM11BK achieved 8 minutes, both earning a rating of NR, not recommended. This demonstrates how the guide helps identify when additional chemical protection is required, ensuring users always select the right glove for the job. By using the Chemical Safe Hands Guide, you can confidently choose the right gloves for chemical handling, ensuring safety, compliance, and efficiency in every application. Visit swssglobal.com, navigate the tools, and then select the Chemical Safe Hands Guide to get started. Thank you.